Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group guys. And in this video, we are going to see the National Testing Agency NTA recruitment notification. And here the opportunities are there for the diploma, UG, PG or the PhD candidates. And the salaries are level 12 category are there. So the salary is up to approximately 2 lakh rupees per month, and we will see the details regarding this notification. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1 educator. So we will see one small announcement. The candidates who are waiting for the UG Senate Electronic Science complete course. So here from Feb 1st 2021 onwards, for the new batch, the course is going to start from the Unacademy. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. So here the different subscription plans are mentioned on the screen. You may take any one of the subscription plan based upon when you are planning to write the exam. And here my referral code is also mentioned, that is Ashwani K. Okay, if you want to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plans, then you may use my referral code. So now while coming to the present content of the video, it is a National Testing Agency official website that all of you may know. And here in the recent, latest notices, you can check down the notification recruitment of various posts at National Testing Agency. So click on this one, then you will be directed to here. Okay, and then here there's so many job opportunities are there for the different qualification candidates. So you may check down at a glance. Joint director, deputy director, assistant director, senior programmer, research scientist C, research scientist A, senior superintendent accounts and the stenographer group B, and the senior assistant or accounts in group B, and the senior technician group B, assistant in accounts group C, and the junior assistant accounts group C, and junior technician group C. Okay, so these are all the different designation posts are there guys, and the last date to apply all this one is the February 18th 2021. And you may check down for the qualifications and all these things. Okay, just click on here view details, okay, on particular post, then you will be directed to this one. So type of appointment is contractual and the number of vacancies are given here as per the caste category, and it is a minimum of the level 3 payment in pay matrix including the DA, HRA, transport allowance. Experience 3 years is required, and so here they given as fee, application fee is 1600 rupees, and the age limit is 45 years maximum, and the qualification details here given: bachelor's degree in appropriate field or diploma in engineering of minimum 3 years duration in appropriate field from recognized institute or ITI with 3 years experience, knowledge of the computer applications, and the work experience also given here. So essential work experience: persons holding analogous post at a similar level in government or reputed private organizations and drawing the equivalent emoluments. So proficiency in Linux, Windows operating system, proficiency in web applications, so development in PHP, JavaScript, AJAX, and HTML5. And so these are the different work experience, essential work experience mentioned. And if you want to apply, then click on this apply now button. Okay, then the online registration will start. So like that, you can check down for all the remaining jobs also. For example, while coming to the junior assistant accounts group C, then click on the view details here, then you will be directed to the in detail educational qualifications and the work experience. So bachelor's degree or equivalent from the recognized university with knowledge of computer applications, and the proficiency in MS Office, and the type speed is also mentioned here, and the essential work experience is also mentioned. So these are all the different positions guys. So anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video, so you may check down. So any one of the thing that your qualification is perfectly matching with this one, then try to apply guys. And here the pay scales are also mentioned here for the joint director. Okay, the level 12, so it is the pay scale, and for the deputy director the pay scale is mentioned here. So like that, for all the categories the pay scales are also mentioned. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is the India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC candidates who are preparing for the UGC exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC exam in the 2021, so both the UGC paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.